हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू वनविल न्यूज़। मैं हूं आपके साथ पारुल और आज हमारे इस इंटरेक्टिव सेशन को ज्वाइन किया है हेल्थ कोच प्रीति त्यागी ने, जो कि फाउंडर है My22 BMI की एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आपको न्यूट्रिशन प्लानिंग, पर्सनलाइज न्यूट्रिशन प्लानिंग मिल सकती है। शी इज़ अ सेलिब्रिटी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और आज इन्हीं से बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि क्या कुछ आप कर सकते हैं घर में बैठे बैठे अपनी हेल्थ को बेहतर बनाने के। और ख़ास तौर से टिप्स उन मॉम्स के लिए है जिनके बच्चे घर पर हैं और उनको ये भी समझाना है कि घर पे भी रहना है और उनके खाने का भी ख्याल रखना है। तो क्या कुछ ये टिप्स देंगी, इन्हीं से आज इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए ले चलती हूँ मैं आपको प्रीति त्यागी के पास।
So, hi Preeti, welcome to One Will News.
Hi, how are you? Thanks. Glad to be
I
back.
am all good, and I can see you are also looking very pretty today.
Oh, so are you. I love your earrings and always the way you talk. It's always great.
Thank you so Preeti, thank you so much. Crisis के time पे भी, as we can see, people have found new ways to connect. Thank you so much for joining us. Since we were not able to call you to the studio, we will do it surely lockdown when the lockdown gets over. So in that case, there are so many questions related to health which people want to ask and know about कि कैसे करें. कि जैसा हम देख रहे हैं कि अचानक से हेल्थ पे सारा फोकस जो है अब लोगों का शिफ्ट हो गया. So the first question is how important it is to be self-disciplined, in the time of crisis in terms of diet, sorry.
It's always very important to be disciplined.
And
And
I
yeah,
don't.
and especially right now, during the lockdown when everything is kind of come to an halt. Sab log pareshan hai, gharon mein band hai, So the first thing that has hampered is their routine.
Right,
Trying to stay and stick to the routine is become very difficult for everyone. Kids are home, everyone is at home, so it's
yes,
just very difficult. But what pays, in being disciplined is that your normal routine will not break if you stay true to it. And how you can do it is by, first of all, don't let your biological cycle change. Sleep at the right time, wake up at the right time, like you used to when you had to go to office or to work.
food, yeah,
Follow the routine. And apart from that, for your eating habits, follow the same diet chart like you used to start with your breakfast, with your morning snack, with your lunch, evening snack, and dinner. So if you do that and monitor it, I always say, have a food diary where you can, note down what you have eaten, how you have eaten, when did you eat, how many glasses of water you've had the entire day. All this helps us, stay in discipline and also stay on track of what we really want to do to be
right,
on schedule.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, आपने इतने अच्छे तरीके से हमें बताया कि it's very important to follow a routine. Now the second question is, since we are not stepping out, but weather has changed. For this is also a boon for us कि इस बार गर्मियों में बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है. But how important it is to stay hydrated and what all should be included now in our diet.
It's very important to be stay hydrated, and especially now that we are not perspiring as much as we used to when we used to be outdoors. We used to go to gyms, we used to go to our workout lessons and everything. So now it's I mean it's just on us, that we don't
Yes,
have. I always tell my clients that don't let your inside dry out, like
yes,
we water plants every day, regardless of what, how much quantity they need. Same we have to do to ourselves. Have at least 8 to 12 glasses of water, depending on your capacity. Try to stick to normal temperature water. Don't try to, it's suddenly gotten hot, so everyone wants to drink ice cold water or
right, right.
stick to normal temperature water because that's the only water that actually quenches our thirst.
Hmm.
And apart from that, avoid sugary drinks. When you are thirsty, first opt for water. Don't start looking for any kind of aerated drinks or anything, especially during these days when the virus is around and
Yeah.
everything. It's better to just stick to the basics, have your normal temperature water, don't go for any other kind of drinks, and stay hydrated just by water.
By water. Next question, because we had a discussion, we had an interview earlier also, and I know how important for you is mother health. You know, you always talk about it. So I want to know कि अभी kids घर पर हैं, you know, so there is always a pressure on moms कि उनको एक तो engage भी रखना है और खाने को भी देना है all the time. So is there any advice for them what all they can do और वो क्या कुछ खाने में दे सकते हैं?
Yeah. I know I'm facing the same. I have two children and they're like constantly hungry. So
Yeah,
it's not easy. But you know, it's with food, healthy food and unhealthy foods. It's always a vicious circle. You know, if you start with healthy food, you stick to it. Your children will stick to it. But if you start once with unhealthy food, it will give you a craving to have another, then another.
right.
So circle, it's up to you which one you want to choose. So anything, luckily during this the virus is such that nobody is eating outside food, so that's
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
one
right.
thing. So people are not falling sick, you know, if you see, look at it. Otherwise, when the virus was not around, people were falling sick because we
Falling sick, exactly.
outside. So that's been taken care of. So people are cooking at home and eating healthy food. It's just that I know cravings happen. You can have, let's say, give a sweet or a piece of cake or a donut, whatever you want to cook for your child as a, you know, for to pamper them, anything
Yeah,
unhealthy you want to do, you can give it to them as a reward for being
yeah,
healthy. Let's say for 3 days in a row you haven't eaten anything unhealthy, so fine, here's your piece of cake. But don't make it a daily habit that because they're stuck at home, poor thing, you know, let me just bake them a cake, let them make,
yeah,
let a cold coffee, a cold shake, and this and that. So I'm seeing a lot of that on internet these days, that people are cooking a lot of,
right,
you know,
right.
yeah, which is fine, you know, once in a while it's okay, but stick to your basic food, you know, जो हमारा हिंदुस्तानी you know basic खाना है वो best है हमारे लिए, you know, stick to your the Ayurvedic ways of eating. And yes, as a reward for doing something great, for being you know, for not complaining, being stuck at home, for being
Yeah.
helping in the household chores, helping the people in the household
Okay,
chores,
so yeah.
give them as a reward some treat, but don't
So
make it.
you are doing it for your children?
I am. You know, luckily for me, my kids actually don't ever demand for you know, outdoor, outside food. And it's just as I'm lucky in that case. But I know my friends and everyone, they struggle. And I do know if I bring a box of chocolate at home, my kids will finish it up. So that's thing that I know. But apart from that, I never hear them asking specifically, "Ki, today I want to have a pizza or a piece of cake." So that's good. Maybe they haven't ever developed the habit
Right.
because they never buy it like that. But right now, they are very happy. They understand, you know, talk to your children, tell them about the virus, tell them, you know, how essential it is to keep our immune system healthy. Otherwise, we might be vulnerable to the virus too. And you know, you'll be amazed how quickly children understand. They really
Understand.
don't get sick and they understand how to keep themselves healthy.
Right. Thank you so much. I'll not take you a lot of the time because I know you have handle clients also, and of course, it's time to people are coming up to you asking for advice. The last question, because this is for the elderly. A lot of
Mhm.
people have asked me, so I thought to ask this question from you. कि elderly के लिए क्या advice है, especially जिनके जो किसी diabetic है या जिनको BP है. So what all should they include in their diet? या कोई specific diet follow करे? Is there any food they should follow? Eat और क्या एडवाइस है उनके लिए?
या एल्डरली के लिए इस वक्त उनका बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए, यू नो, उनको हल्का खाने के लिए घर में भी जो बनता है, जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के लिए इजी है, उस तरह का फूड होना चाहिए. विटामिन सी रिच फूड्स शुड बी देयर इन देयर डाइट. बेस्ट एग्जांपल हमारे लिए है आंवला, जो कि
ओके,
इतनी तरह से उनको दे सकते हैं. So even amla candy जो आती है, that is also very high in vitamin C. Apart from those who are suffering from diabetes, can have it as a sweet or as a snack around them all the time. For the ones who are suffering from diabetes, will have to restrict the quantity. और उनके लिए आंवला की चटनी, आंवला खाने में किसी तरह से यूज करके, या फिर नींबू, जैसे हम किसी भी तरह की धनिया पुदीना की चटनी बनाए उसमें just make it a habit कि उनको citrus fruits और vitamin C rich foods रोज मिल रहे हैं as a daily basis. Otherwise, they can also go on to supplements. You know, during this time, उनको vitamin C का supplement अगर कोई किसी को दिक्कत है vitamin C rich foods खाने में, जैसे खट्टा हर कोई खाना पसंद
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं
करता,
कर बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
हाँ तो उनको आप सप्लीमेंट के रूप में दे सकते हैं. उसके अलावा विटामिन डी लेवल्स शुड बी हाई बिकॉज नोबडी इज स्टेपिंग आउट दीज डेज. सनलाइट किसी को मिल नहीं रही है एंड विटामिन
बिल्कुल
डी it will make us weak if we don't have it in our body. और Indians का वैसे भी पिछले अगर आप सर्वेज देखो तो विटामिन डी कम आता है which is
हम आता है बिल्कुल बिल्कुल राइट
so keep that on top of it. अगर आपको आप blood test नहीं करा सकते हैं, don't worry, you can at least have a 1 month dose, you know, just as a nutritional food in your diet, and that's usually a once a week dose. Apart from that, zinc और iron rich foods diet में जरूर होने चाहिए जितने उनको वो पचा सके. Iron का मैं supplement recommend नहीं करती for elderly people because it's difficult to digest it.
ओके
Have it in their diet as a, I mean, make sure that they are eating foods rich in iron and water. You know, keep them hydrated. उनको dehydrate मत होने दीजिए. और इस वक्त उनका हर तरीके से ही ध्यान रखिए क्योंकि इस वक्त hospitals में जाना is the biggest risk because
राइट
that catch the virus. So
बिल्कुल
just take care of the elderly people a lot during this time.
Thank you so much, Preeti, for taking out time and joining us for this wonderful and engaging conversation. हम अपने viewers के लिए कुछ और ऐसी conversations लाते रहेंगे and I hope कि आपके पास और questions हैं, so I'll tell Preeti to come again and answer your questions. So please keep sending your questions to us. Thank you so much, Preeti, for joining us.
Thank you, Parul. Always a pleasure. Thanks.
Thank you.